How to fix Facebook profile picture guard not showing or not available on Android. This tutorial shows you how to get the profile picture guard option back on your account. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. After that, tap on the three lines at the top left of the screen. From there, tap on your name at the top to go to your profile. At this point, tap on your profile to open it. In the next step, tap on the three dots or the edit button on your profile. From there, look for the Turn on Profile Picture Guard option and tap on it. Once done, if the option is not showing up, it may be because the feature is not yet available in your region. In that case, try switching your Facebook language to English. From here, tap on the three lines and go to Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings. At this point, scroll down and tap on Language and Region. Change your language to English. Once done, go back to your profile and try accessing the Profile Picture Guard option again. From here, if it's still not showing up, try force-stopping the app. Open your Android settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Search for Facebook and tap on it to open the app info page. Tap on Force Stop and confirm. Then reopen Facebook and check again. Finally, if the feature is still unavailable, open the Play Store and update it if one is available. Newer versions of the app are more likely to have the Profile Picture Guard feature enabled. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix the Facebook Profile Picture Guard issue, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.